Hi, I'm Jamie Stewart, president of Mega Media Factory, and today we're taking a look at a cool AV over IP system from ZeeVee, the Zyper 4K. Before we jump into it, ZeeVee is all in on video distribution, and that's either via IP or RF using standard coax cable. As one of the founding members of the SDVoE Alliance, ZeeVee is an industry leader in AV over IP. Whether you needed uncompressed 4K over 10 gigabit Ethernet with the Zyper 4K line, or compressed 4K over 1 gigabit Ethernet with the Zyper UHD line, ZeeVee makes distribution and switching quick and easy. The main goal of AV over IP is to eliminate the need for point-to-point wiring, requiring distribution amps, matrix switching, and endless miles of cabling. But today, we're exploring the Zyper 4K. This line features different flavors of encoders and decoders that allow you to connect any video source, HDMI or SDI, up to 4K 60p 444 across the 10 gig network, with near zero latency measured in microseconds. Featuring SDVoE, the Zyper 4K allows for one-to-one, one-to-many, and many-to-many configurations, distributing audio and video and matrix switching across your network. The encoders and decoders work in conjunction with the Zyper management platform, which allows for system configuration, drag and drop switching between sources and destinations, multi-view configurations, video wall processing, and even presets and scheduling. Let's explore a simple one-to-many distribution solution. A single encoder is connected to your source, whether that be a digital signage player, a camera, a computer, or really whatever. The encoder is the starting point for your system. Decoders are used at the other end and connected to each display. These are endpoints. All of the decoders and encoders get connected to your 10 gig network, and in our case, via copper. Fiber options are also available. You can easily drag and drop from your encoder to all of your decoders, and almost instantly, your video signal is now being shown on the display. To grow the system, you can easily add more encoders to create a many-to-many system, which allows you to switch any encoder to any decoder. One really cool thing about the Zyper 4K is it allows you to configure multi-views and video walls without separate hardware processors. A multi-view takes multiple encoders and allows you to arrange them on a single display using a single decoder. Multi-view setup is really simple and easy, allowing you to customize your layout and which encoder goes where on the multi-view. Whereas in a video wall setup, multiple decoders, one for each display, all get their signal from a single encoder. It divides up the signal across the decoders, really. Video wall setup is easy, and you can set the number of displays and even the bezel size. It's truly video walls made easy. One of the really nice things about this system is the Zyper management platform that allows you to control every aspect of your system. You can see your sources, your displays, set up multi-view video walls, but what I really like is the presets. If you have a complicated system with a ton of encoders and decoders, a few video walls and multi-views, you can easily save that configuration as a preset. You can now make changes to your setup and save a new preset. Now, with a single click, you can change your entire system's routing and configuration. Better yet, you can schedule these presets to run on a calendar. This is super powerful for complicated systems that need to change video routing frequently. Here's what I like about it. It's really simple and worked out of the box, requiring only a few changes to my managed network. The latency was basically non-existent, and the video quality was beautiful with the uncompressed 4K. The boxes are small enough to be easily hidden behind a display, and shameless plug, why not check out the Mega Media Industrial line of wall mounts, perfect for the Zyper 4K. Links below. I found the multi-view and video wall setups to be intuitive and easily managed. I really liked the presets and scheduling, and one thing that I thought was helpful was the user accounts with permissions. I can see the system working well for corporate distribution applications, medical applications for training hospitals, and something I think would be very powerful would be for digital signage distribution for museums and entertainment applications, where having a preset would allow you to switch every display at your facility for an event, but schedule it to go back to normal by the next morning. The applications for the system are wide-ranging. As always, if you'd like to learn more about the ZeeVee line of AV over IP hardware or to purchase, visit us online at megamediafactory.com. Well, that's all I have for you today. Comment below if you have any questions, and don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.